Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to Silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. It's that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday. Turn a blue day to a bright hue, yellow with a smooth A in hair. Extra fruity, the brand, you can't move me. The music is man, it's a con job, but fuck it, it's grand. I'm blessed with a great hand amongst many that stank. And yeah, it took some hard work, but blind love play a huge role. But they say that it don't, when they're feeding you fool's gold. If I know one thing, the truth's home. Even if it's a tough thing to swallow, an even harder thing to hold and truly know without a doubt while on the globe. Even though that seems inherent, it ain't always so apparent. Dangle carrot, you ain't always gonna get it. But don't worry, it's a pretty February in a year with more to carry, and more days is yet to come under the sun taking the ferry to the city, where the moment's extra pretty, like the people, like the idea that I keep inside my brain that isn't equal to the real world. All that stress ain't safe to be fear though. I swear to God I'm trying. Look, they pushing the demons down my esophagus, screaming the easy life, what I want always. Praise made up holidays, tell me that love is the answer just to boost this economy. I'm more sell now, but I ain't following. I ain't a hollow man, I'm full of them fall winds. Take it all with a tall crane. If you feel it, do it with me. And just sing what the song says. Take it all for what it is. It ain't all so bad. Take it all for what it is. It ain't all so bad. You see, I think the snozberry's gonna taste like snozberries. It could be pretty weird if they tasted any other way. Today's just another day amongst many. Wouldn't want to spend it any other way. Sup with friendly people, bumping Benzie box with a cup full of Henny, selling smiles by the lot. There's some wholesale, that's the only thing I got. Well, except for drug addled downer, always drowning in the pot. But let's skip the minor details and get to moving through the plot. There's a potluck party popping off kind of song. This is shit you go and tell your moms to play at junior prom. This a rolly backpack anthem like damn opera was hard. This for my real ones eating Kit Kats, whole bar. This for my best friends who are falling in love. Hope your heart's ready for the best yet to come. This for my couch surfing kings. Yo baby, what's up? I wrote you a song. You better throw this thing home. Take it all for what it is.